Hello, and welcome to LinkedIn and Twitter and blogs. Oh my, social media's impact on legal ethics and the practice of law. So a few questions for you. Do you friend, tweet, connect, or blog with colleagues, friends, clients, and others? If so, have you installed an automatic mental pause button before posting on social media? Are you now wondering about where and why to find said pause button? Well, you have come to the right course because we will explore the answers to these questions and more as we journey to uncover the impact of social media upon legal ethics and the practice of law. After a bit of historical context, the course will reveal why today's lawyer must be imbued with social media savvy in order to effectively represent clients, market a law practice, and, most importantly, avoid ethical landmines that endanger a lawyer's license to practice law. The roadmap for this course involves learning some of the historical context for both social media and the legal profession. I always think historical context provides a good framework for understanding what's going on in contemporary society. We're going to look at various aspects and stages of a case where social media should be considered. We'll look at the attorney advertising rules in connection with the use of social media to market a law practice. And again, identify legal ethics landmines for the unwary lawyer. And unfortunately, there's been a number of them who post negative commentary on social media. Let's begin by a short history of social media. One author, Tom Statage, posits that actually it's not a short history, that human beings have been essentially writing on the wall for 2,000 years or more. He talks about human beings being by nature wired to be social human beings, and going back to the development of the social brain and language, and the purpose for language being social connection. But if we fast forward a bit from the early development of the human brain to Rome, you start to see the first evidence of a social network. Now, again, no internet, but the idea of social networking. In ancient Rome, the art of letter rating became a type of social networking. In fact, there's a quote from Cicero that says, "Whether you have any news or not, write something. I shall write to you nearly every day, for I prefer to send letters to no purpose, rather than for you to have no messenger to give one to, if there's anything you think I ought to know." Cicero and his friends and many Romans not only sent letters to one another, they would often send copies of other people's correspondence within their letters. And then Julius Caesar founded a daily gazette called the Acta, and it was published only one copy at the Roman Forum. So many people would send scribes down to take notes, and then they would share these notes. So you can just imagine there was a post on the wall at the forum, to use today's language, and scribes would write what they felt was most important in their own way. And so then it was passed around, much like perhaps social media posts today, where people are focused on what's important to them.